Good morning, students, and welcome back again. Today, we will discuss the question answers of the chapter Brown Wolf. In my previous video, I have already discussed from question number 1 to 6. Now, let's start question number 7. This was a new way of looking at it, and Miller was clearly debating about it in his mind. What was it? Okay. What do you think was going on in Skiff Miller's mind? Why was he debating the matter? So what is the reason? So here answer is it was Doc's own decision or own choice. In Miller's mind a debate was going on. Okay? He was debating the matter because he was unsure whether the dog wanted to stay there with Maz and Welt or go back with Miller. Okay, so now question number 8. Do you think the dog tried to tell Skiff, Maz and Welt to stay together? What makes you say so? So answer is yes, I think Brown means dog did so because when Miller was leaving that place, the dog went after him, caught his hand between its teeth and tried to stop him but failed. Okay, failing to do so, Brown raced back to Walt and Mace tried to convince them to go after Miller to stop him and not let him go. This makes us say so. Okay, now question number 9. Did the dog make a firm decision in the end? How do you know? So answer is yes, I think so, because when he started walking on the trail with Miller on his way back home, he not even once turned his head towards Welt and Maz. So this is the answer. Now you can see some true or false as given in your book also. So question number 1, is it true or false? Just only I will tell you. When the dog arrived at their cottage, Maz and Walt knew whether he came from. So, is this a true or false? What is it? So, answer is, this is false. Okay, now question number 2. Wolf kept running away from the Welt and Maz's home because he was very adventurous. So this is also false. Okay, that's why because he was very adventurous, that's why he kept running away from Welt and Maz's home. That is false. Now question number 3. Wolf's reaction to Skiff Miller tell us that he was very friendly animal. No, it's not. Okay, now question number 4. Skiff Miller gave the dog various commands which he obeyed, thus proving that he belonged to his Skiff Miller. Yes, this is right. Whatever the Skiff Miller gave the commands which he obeyed, the dog obeyed, that proved. Okay, thus proving that he belonged to Skiff Miller. Now question number 5. Maz wanted to give the dog a choice in the matter of staying or living because he hoped that he would choose to stay back with her and Walt. So this is also true. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.